Cool. All this time I thought it was recording. It wasn't recording.
What do you think? What do you think?
Oh Lord, I hope she didn't put that super hard wrapping paper on there. See if you can rip that off. Oh, hold it up so we can see for the camera. Hold it up. Oh, okay, I see it. Oh, that's a big truck thing. A car thing. Hot Wheels. Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Oh, wow, what is that? Some kind of Nerf gun or something? Yeah. Oh, wow, okay. What is it? It's a flying Spider-Man. It look like I see propellers on there. Ooh. Oh, wow. Turn it around. That's so we can see the front. Turn the box around. Let us see the other side. Or is that is the front?
That is the front.
Oh, wow.
Got it? Wow, that's a big one. Oh. Look at that. A big monster truck.
Oh, wow. We have to see if we need to get batteries. Make a battery run.
You know what to talk about when you boxes. Get some batteries.
Ooh, okay.
Some more cars.
You got a lot of cars, man. Oh, that's a transformer. Okay, cool transformer. okay. Don't look like you were so interested in the puzzle. Yeah, it is a lot of presents. Your daddy and Miss Ariel and Mama and Papa did a good job.
Egg is a snake.
Oh, wow, okay.
The egg is the remote control. Ooh. Yay.
Wait, hold that up so we can see, Ace.
A Spider-Man here.
Oh, okay. He doesn't know what that is. I can't tell either. It look like it's something. I can't tell. Tita, you can tell. Quilla, Sade, you can tell what that is?
I don't know, I got some.
That's a dino.
That's a dinosaur.
Oh, okay, a dinosaur. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, say thank you.
Thank you.
All right.